Today, I visited the Brooklyn Museum in Eastern Parkway, New York. This is the second largest museum in all of New York City, and it spans over 5 gigantic floors. It contains an art collection of over 500,000 objects. There were some strange looking sculptures, exotic paintings, African fashion, and so much more. We spent hours at the museum, but I was drawn to the ancient Egyptian masterpieces and the contemporary art. This museum showcased a wide range of cultures. At the end of my tour, I came away feeling educated. After taking in all of that art and history and culture, I built up an appetite. So I headed off to the first restaurant I saw, which was a street vendor, Halal Grill, parked on the outside on Eastern Parkway. I was excited to get my first taste of street food. So after getting past the language barrier, as they were speaking Spanish and I was speaking English, I perused the menu painted on the side of the truck and made my selection. I played it safe. 1 large pretzel and grilled fish and chips. While waiting for my fish and chips, I decided to try my pretzel. After getting past the heat, I tried again. And I was so disappointed. There was no salt, no sugar, quite bland. It's not one of my favorite things. I became even more disappointed when I tried the fish and chips. Where's the fish? And the chips, they were so soggy. After having such an amazing day at the museum, I was so disappointed to try the food parked on Eastern Parkway. The next time I'm in the Brooklyn area and I happen to be near the museum, I will try a different street vendor because this food was not impressive.